Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is the previous set that we're filling on my client. And today we're starting off with a fresh base that I filed down to. I already applied a Moir's bonder and now I'm starting with Sweetheart Pink. On the pinkies, we're applying blue ice. And now on the middle finger, we're applying a slip layer of Cachet Pink, and we're gonna move blue ice, Sweetheart Pink, and Elite Yellow throughout that nail before I cure it. On the same nail, I'm applying a little bit of Elite White, and I'm going to move it around the nail and disperse it using Sani Prep, or any alcohol-based prep would work, just to make it look kind of like a milk bath nail. Next, we're applying pink champagne from Amore on the thumbs, and then I'm going to be building the nails with either Cachet Pink or Crystal Sculpt depending on the nail. The middle and index will be built with Cachet Pink, and then the rest will be built with Crystal Sculpt. Here I'm working on a finished filed nail, and I'm going to make a little leaf design that interlaps using all the colors previously mentioned, as well as the addition of Elite White. I apologize for losing focus while I add in the yellow and white leaf designs. And once that design is all complete, I'm gonna finish the nails off with Fat Cat Claws No Wipe Top Coat. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching.